Hey guys, it's Josh, and for this video, I'm going to show you how to use the backpack in Scratch. Now, say for example, you have a string of code like this one. I was supposed to use this for a health bar video, but the current game that I did doesn't need a health bar. So this is a code. As you can see, I pulled it out from the backpack. So the backpack is like a universal storage for your own stuff that you could use across all your Scratch projects. So just observe. I'm using this on a new project. It's Untitled 57 that I'm going to transfer to a new project. Let's open my stuff right here. And then I'm going to go in here in the jump game that I did. Okay, let's see inside. So when I open a backpack, I could still access that piece of code in this new project. So that's the use of backpack, and that's how you actually use it in the best way possible. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe because it helps our channel grow, and I'm going to be seeing you on the next one. Peace out, guys.